JPEG 3042B is a lightweight and highly accurate robotic arm. Its accuracy is 0.1 mm, and the threading action of the pinhole can be easily finished. With a footprint dimension of 210 mm by 210 mm, JPEG 3042B can fit in any production environment smaller than one piece of A4 paper and free up more space in the plant for production. It is the perfect fit for repeating lightweight tasks in tight workspaces. This mechanical arm emulates human actions using a hand-guided teaching pendant. Our technicians made it easy for you. Drag and move it to gain knowledge. JPEG 3042B optimizes desktop human collaborative work and helps businesses cut costs. All these measures boost efficiency and quality.